This is my birthday present.
What is it?
Books.
What kind of books?
Sophia the First.
Can you show the camera the books? Oh, I think they want to see this part. Very cool. And what comes inside?
Books and learning stuff for school.
All right, don't put your back to the camera. Okay? Right now, your back is facing the camera. Avery, you gotta go to the side and show them your stickers you got.
These are the stickers. Stickers. These are. Oh.
And once you can read all those books all by yourself, you get that certificate. Show them the certificate.
What is the certificate?
It's already on the table.
So you can see Sophia.
It says a true princess like, and then you write your name, and it says can read. And then you write the date. Isn't that cool? Those are learning how to read books.
And what's this?
That's just a parent's guide.
Parents' guide. And these are all the books.
That first one, show them the first book.
First book is the one with Sophia.
It
Wait,
says, I am Sophia.
Mom,
What?
this matches.
Yeah. Can you show the camera that book? Here, let me flip it over so you can make sure that they can see. It says, I am Sophia. Oh, there you go. Now show them the next book.
Let me see inside the book if you can stick it in. Oh, I think you gotta do it in the back.
The stickers? Okay. Can you show them another book?
Oh, but I don't want to do too much.
Okay. So what do you want to do now?
I want to put the little stickers on.
No, not yet.
Okay.
We gotta wait till you start reading those books first.
I don't know how to read still.
I know, those books are to teach you how to read. How old did you turn on your birthday?
4.
Yeah. So are you supposed to know how to read when you're 4? No. Do you like those books? Would you like other kids to have those books too? You think you could show them one more book?
Okay.
That says so much to do. You want to show them any of the pictures inside the books? Wow, is that Sophia?
And Amber.
Oh, I couldn't even see Amber from here.
She's green with the green dress.
What do you like about Sophia?
That she's pretty.
You like that she's pretty?
And she can talk to animals.
She's really nice too, isn't she?
And you should inside this book. I think I'm looking at my books. It's the red button on the camera.
Okay.